Hello guys, it's me Ali Ahmed, and in today's video I'll show you how to create your own personal VPS step by step. So let's jump right into this process. Guys, first step, you log in your GitHub in your browser and create new repo. Repo name seems like uh, free VPS, free VPS, guys, and choice privacy to private, create repo. Then guys, go to Tailscale website. I'll drop this website link in this video description. You will copy this link and paste here and create account. So guys, I'll sign in this website with GitHub and go to setting in your upper tab. Go to setting and then keys, then generate auth key, then description generate key, then copy it, then go to your GitHub repo and go to setting in upper tab, go to secret and variables actions, then new repo secret, then repo name, then secret, paste her, then add secret, secret added, guys, and guys, copy this code and I will drop them. Copy this code and paste her. This code is your VPS IP user and pass. So look guys, this is your username free and pass at the rate 123 is your password. So guys, commit changes, commit changes. Then guys, actions, click this public RDP with Tailscale. Then guys, run workflow, then click run all workflow. Then guys, all workflows, click public RDP with Tailscale and look guys, our VPS is running. Guys, this is the IP. So guys, wait, I will show you how to access it. Wait guys,
On the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but you see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for critic, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business say who
guys, copy this IP and go to your remote desktop connection and paste her this IP and show option, click show option, and our username is free, user is free, so type free, then click connect. Then guys, your VPS is running and I'll show you. the internet speed test.
Then start. Look guys, the internet speed is download speed is 2.5 Gbps and wait, so I'll say the upload speed is guys, average 1.5 Gbps.